Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today I would like to talk about one topic that is bothering a lot of people online, and this topic is regarding the CapCut and how to remove the watermark. There are a lot of questions on that on the internet, and people are explaining in different ways and in many times not offering the solution. So what actually did happen is that CapCut from, I don't know, version 4.9 or 5 point something started to introduce watermark in every export you do. You could actually have only one free export without watermark on the PC version. So what actually you can do is rather simple. You need to download the older version of the CapCut and install that version, and then you will be able to have unlimited export without watermark. So it's actually a simple solution. So you go to this website, you search into the Google download older version of the CapCut, click on this website, go here, and then be careful to download this version 4.0.01818 or any of the below, but this one is the newest one that you can use, and you will be able to use it without an watermark on the export. You download it. When you download it, you can just, of course, normally install it. I will not go through the install procedure because it's rather simple. And have in mind one thing: when you do install it, install over the current version of the CapCut that you have, and then you can normally open. You will have all of your files and templates there. So you install this version, and then you open the CapCut. You will see everything is there, but have in mind one thing: the templates or the videos that you created from the with the upper version of the CapCut, so say 5.4 point something, you will not be able to open with this older version, but you can create, easily new templates, and then forever use this version to create and export videos without the watermark. So let's just see the example. Let's open a simple video here. Okay, nothing much here, but what I can show you is that I can export, and easily you see that there is no warning. Usually in the newer version, hereby you will receive a warning that you have one free watermark free version of export per month. So that's an easy solution how you can use CapCut, because it's rather good and simple video editor for all of your video editing. So let me click export, and everything is doing as it should, and you can do that as many times as you want. So yeah, basically that's it. The solution is to download the older version, install it, and use it if you want forever. And just one caution: CapCut will constantly offer you to upgrade to the newer version. Do not click upgrade or update, because then you will not have this same ability to export without watermark. So yeah, that's it. Thanks you for watching and listening, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye bye.